channel. If you're new here, I'm Ava.
I'm Cash.
I'm older.
I'm cooler.
Want to be part of our HurriKids family? Subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video.
Ding.
Now on to the video.
Yay!
So today we are going to be showing you how to make Easter themed slime. So let's just get right on into it. So the first step to making this Easter themed slime is to obviously have what you need, which will be glue, some activator, and some food coloring. You can make it pastel or neon, whichever one you prefer. We're going to do pastel, or at least I'm going to do pastel. Do you want to do pastel or neon? If I'm doing pastel, I think you should do neon.
I don't think I'm going to do colors. I think I'm just going to do...
That is a bad idea.
Actually, no. I'll go with neon.
Okay.
Glitter is optional. It's not like the slime police are kind of
So the way to make this is you have to have borax, and then all you have to do is heat up some water, and then put 2 teaspoons of borax in it, or 1 teaspoon of borax in it to make activator.
1 TSP.
So let's pour in some glue.
Technical difficulties.
And we're going to be making 3 colors out of this one slime, so we're not going to dye it.
Oh, yeah. That pours fast. That pours really fast.
Okay, now, technical difficulties, mister. Go get the lid. It's under your chair.
And we will be right back.
10 years later, he still hasn't gotten the glue cap. 5 years later after that. Oh, look, he's back.
Yay.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do, ooh, look at that thickness. I haven't even added in the activator yet, and it's already really thick. His isn't very thick because it's clear glue. By the way, if you're wondering which glue we're using, Cash is using the Doris clear glue, and I'm using the Elmer's washable no-run school glue, non-toxic. Make sure that is very important.
You are toxic, Ava.
Okay, now we're just gonna activate, because we're gonna add colors and glitters if you want to after. Cash is not very experienced in this field of slime making, so I have to pour in his activator.
Mine's already coming together.
Oh wait, actually, let's part the glitter C so you can see what we're doing,
Guys, honestly, look, mine's already coming together.
Yeah, because we just poured activator in it.
That makes a lot of sense.
Duh. Okay, anyway, so now that you can see what we're doing, let's add more.
Hey, don't make this thing. Remember the last time we made clear glue and mine was ruined?
The last time Cash made clear slime, he added way too much activator, so it was like bad. It was bad.
I threw it away.
We didn't have to throw it away.
Like literally, it was honestly like a rock. Whoa!
See how it's already kind of coming together?
That looks so cool.
And really, you can make Easter slime whatever you want. You could just make it a white slime that you want to play with.
Oh, you want cafeteria lunch? Okay.
But when I think of Easter, I think of pink, yellow, and blue, or pink, yellow, and green, like a teal color. But I think I'm gonna do pink, yellow, and blue.
That's so weird.
Or pink, yellow, and teal. I think I'm gonna do pink, yellow.
This is how you're supposed to mix your slime if you don't know.
You're not supposed to mix it like
Beginners
that.
out there.
You're a beginner. Like he's literally made slime like 3 times in his life.
No, I've made slimes like 70 times.
7.
Let's be honest, I live with you, Ava.
The last time I made slime was like a couple months ago.
We made slime.
I'm a little rusty, dusty, and
Last time Ava made slime, she made it with me.
Yeah, I did actually. You actually made it pretty good.
I made a
So now, it's not quite activated yet.
But who cares?
But we have to knead it because there's activator in there, and if we add any more, it'll just get very hard.
I think I just ruined my hands.
See, look, mine's already coming off my hands.
Mine's a little harder, so.
And you want to add little bits of activator at a time. You do not want to add like the whole bottle in there at the time, because then you have an overactivated slime, and that's not fun. And if you have it too overactivated, like I think I might have to do to Cash's, you can add some more glue, because you can't take borax out unless you're like Superman. Superman doesn't do that. Or Slime Man.
He always makes the perfect slime. And if you do something wrong, he'll throw slime at your car.
What? So now that I have my nice and pretty activated slime,
I got a snowball.
we are going to go off camera and we are going to clean out our bowls, and then we'll be right back. And we'll be back with our bowls all clean in 3, 2, 1. We're back. So now we are going to add coloring.
Yes.
To ours. So I'm gonna go pastel. Do you want to go pastel or neon? I feel like if I go pastel, you have to go neon.
No, I want to go pastel.
Okay.
Nobody likes neon.
So these are all the food dyes that we have. I put them nice out in rainbow order, and I hope you like it. I spent a lot of time on it. Just kidding, I spent 2 seconds. Okay, anyway, so let's pick out our colors. I think I want light blue, yellow, and pink.
I just picked out like all the good colors.
Oh yes, by the way, the camera is not playing tricks on you. Cash's slime does look pink. He had something on his hands from earlier. I don't even know what, but... Hockey! Okay, anyway, I'm gonna take these. Which colors do you want to take?
I just picked mine.
Here you go.
Can we have the same colors?
No, we cannot.
Yes, we can. Who's gonna have this one, I guess?
He's gonna have this one, and this one.
I don't want these. These are
You have to have at least 3 colors. Okay, so Cash's 3 colors are teal. You have to show them.
the good ones.
Cash's 3 colors are teal, green, and purple.
Ava, can I please borrow that blue?
No, you may not. This shows out light blue. It's not actually that dark. And I got pastel pink, pastel yellow, and pastel blue.
Building a little hole.
Okay, anyway. So, no. You want to split these into 3 parts first, because it's 3 colors.
Okay.
And you're going to dye them in the bowl. Like that. So I'm going to take the first part of my slime.
I just built a little hole to put them in, so genius.
Okay, I'm going to take the first part of my slime, put it in the bowl. I'm going to dye it pink.
Oh, that's
Oh, she's gooey.
pushing.
Let's just add a little bit of pink because we want it to be pastel. Not supposed to touch it.
Okay, there we go. We got that one.
No, Cash, you're supposed to mix it in the bowl and put the cap on it. See, I told you, he's not very experienced in
No,
this
don't
game.
get on my hands.
You're supposed to mix it with your spoon. Jeez. I literally told you to do this 5 times until you're ready to mix with your fingers because you think that you can avoid the food coloring, but really you can't. So my hands are going to be stained pink for the rest of my life, so yeah.
I need to say you're fine, but you're not fine.
Pink!
I don't even care anymore.
I'm just mixing mine. I don't even care if I get food dye on me. So, we are going to do this to the rest of our slimes, except we're going to be back when all of our slimes are colored in 3, 2, 1. So we are back with all 3 of our slimes. Mine look pretty nice and pastel like Easter, and his look kind of dark and evil and purple.
Hey, blue is the best color.
Okay, can we just admire? Cash, show them your hands.
I'm underneath them.
Okay, and could we admire my hands? My hands are nice and clean and stuff.
So wash your hands.
I did not wash my hands. Liar. I swear I did not wash my hands. Okay, anyway.
No.
So now we are going to add glitter if you want to add glitter. Which
I'm going to
can
add
do.
glitter after we mix all of them.
Why would you do that? Okay, so we're going to add the glitters right now.
I'm mixing mine.
So I'm going to add this pretty pink glitter. This pretty pink slime. Oh.
Ava, look at that. Got a
Just
cute.
a little bit for that.
Ava,
little
look at this.
slime.
That's so cool.
Do you see this? Admire this.
I already mixed mine, by the way. So.
Okay. Hey, you can't mix without me.
I know, you want to bet? I just did.
Excuse me.
Oh, no, girl.
And then to the rest of them, we're just gonna add the iridescent one that I love so much. And I think it's very gorgeous.
Blue is my favorite color if you don't know.
Let's just admire how good mine look and how dark and evil his look. These are mine, they're nice and pretty. These are mine. And that is his ball. What we are going to do is slime smoothie time. We're going to mix our slimes together, which I think is going to be very aesthetic, and I hope you like it. So Cash has already mixed his together because he didn't wait, because he doesn't want you to be satisfied. So let's just mix mine together, just like this. And you mixed yours wrong. You're supposed to mix it like this.
I did. Right, camera?
That is so pretty.
I'm gonna go bowling.
No! See? Pretty. Now let's swirl them.
I'm going bowling. I don't know what you're talking about.
Correct. Stop.
You just physically assaulted my slime. Wait.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look how dark and evil his is, and look how nice and light
Mine's
and
a
pink
galaxy.
unicorn. Look at the comparison.
Yeah, because you haven't mixed yours together.
So I'm gonna mix mine fully now. So I have a feeling the teal is just gonna take over.
Yeah, it's blue for me.
No, it's the purple.
That's blue and purple.
Let's run like a nice
I
light.
can't find any green. You saw the green that I mixed. There is no green.
No green at all.
It just disappeared.
Mine is like turning into like a nice light teal color.
How many times can I fold a piece of slime?
I don't know. It's like that ad where it's like, how many times does it take to lick a Tootsie Pop until you get to the bottom of the pop?
It's how many licks does it take to get to the bottom of the Tootsie Roll poop? Do you know how many licks it takes to get to the bottom of the lily poop? No.
We're good now. I think we get it.
Hi.
So let's show them the end result of our slime. This is the end result of my slime. Take a nice and Cash, show them your weird, really dark, not Easter slime.
Tell her it's a galaxy slime.
The goal was Easter. That was the goal.
Well, the Easter Bunny lives in the galaxy.
I don't think he does. I think he lives on Easter Bunny World.
Notice I said quote unquote.
Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, if you did, smash that like button, and if you want to see more of our content, click over here. We love you guys so much. Bye!